Hello, nice to meet you all again. I hope you're having a great day. Today, I'm going to explain a very basic wiring diagram and the working principle behind it. One-way switch wiring. Start a new project. Create a one-way switch. Go to the collections and search for a breaker. Once it appears, drag and place it onto the workspace. Then, search for a lamp and drag that as well. Use the line tool to connect the components. Wiring instructions. Connect the phase line through the breaker and switch. The neutral wire should go directly to the lamp. Ensure all connections are tight and secure. Use the correct cable size as per the load requirement. Once everything is properly connected and checked, you can switch it on. That's it for the one-way switch. Two-way switch wiring. Now let's move on to the two-way switch setup. Paste 3 two-way switches as shown in the layout. Then search for a lamp and drag it into place. Go to Collections and search for a breaker. Drag and place it. Use the line tool to make the connections. Wiring instructions. Connect the phase line through the breaker to the middle point of the first switch. Link the top and bottom terminals of the first and second switches as shown. Connect the middle point of the second switch to the lamp. The neutral wire should go directly to the lamp. After connecting everything, double-check that all connections are tight. Use appropriate cable sizes. Then you can safely switch the circuit on. This setup allows the lamp to be turned on or off from either switch, making it perfect for staircases or long hallways. Please remember to follow all electrical safety rules when working on wiring. That's all for today. Thanks for following along. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.